Let's get right to the install. Go to our GitHub, click on Setup Windows, then click on Install Hunyuan-Image. Download the file. Once downloaded, right-click the file, go to Properties, and at the bottom you will see the Unblock option. Check it and click OK. Now double-click to run. If Smart Screen shows up, click More Info and then Run anyway. Accept the UAC prompt and the script will start on its own. It will download everything automatically, the 3 model variants, 2 encoders, and the VAE. The total download is around 81 gigabytes, so depending on your connection it might take a while. Good time for a coffee. When it's done, press any key or close the terminal. To open Comfy UI, double-click Run NVIDIA GPU. In the left sidebar, open Workflows, go to Comfy Workflow, Image, Hunyuan. You will see 3 workflows ready to use, FP8, BF16, and Distilled FP8. The recommended parameters are already embedded in each one. One important note: do not generate at -Wentang 1024 by -Wen1024. The model produces artifacts outside the native buckets. Use 2048 square or the other ratios listed in the note inside the workflow. Now let's get to the benchmark. Hunyuan-Image 2.1. 3 GPUs, 3 variants. Time to benchmark. 3 prompts, 3 seeds, 3 GPUs, 3 variants. Same install, every benchmark. Cold start on the RTX 5090. Model loading from disk. Distilled FP8, espresso prompt, 2048 squared, 36.3 seconds. Same GPU, model already in VRAM. Warm run, 10.8 seconds. That's the real throughput. Cold versus warm, RTX 5090, 36 to 10.8. Once it's loaded, it flies. RTX 5090 warm, BF16 quality, 61.8 seconds. Distilled FP8, 10.8, 6 times faster. Same prompt, same seed. 1024 squared, off bucket, artifacts. 2048 squared, native bucket, clean output. Always match the bucket. 7 native buckets. Stick to these. Any other resolution breaks the model. Ceramicist portrait, BF16, quality on the left. Distilled FP8 on the right. Same prompt, same seed. Compare the skin and fabric detail. T-Master, BF16 quality versus distilled. Same conditions. Watch the atmospheric light and skin texture. Brutalist library, BF16 quality versus distilled. Architecture, light shafts, material rendering, side by side. Diner mug, Byte 5 text rendering. BF16 quality left, distilled right. Does the engraving hold on both variants? Tram noir, 0 text, pure composition. BF16 quality versus distilled. Cinematic depth, teal and amber grade, both variants. RTX 5090 10.8 seconds. RTX 4090 15.8. RTX 3060 77.6. All warm, all distilled FP8. Full timing matrix, 3 variants, 3 GPUs, BF16 quality, RTX 5090 62 seconds, 4090 126, 3060 out of memory. FP8 quality, 5090 62, 4090 77, 3064 66. Technically possible, not practical. Distilled FP8 wins across the board. 5090 10.8, 4090 15.8, 3060 78. One model. Every GPU. Production speed. On the 3060, FP8 quality runs 466 seconds. Not viable. Distilled FP8, 78 seconds. That's your only path. BF16 quality versus distilled, RTX 5090, 61 seconds versus 10. The gap speaks for itself. Compute bound on the flagship, memory bound below. Distilled democratizes access. Next, HiDream O1. Subscribe so you don't miss it.